How to change currency on Temu account. Well, head over to any of the web browser and open the site www.temu.com. It will land you on this interface. You need to make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile at the top. Head over to settings. Right here you'll get to see the option of currency. Tap on it. In this page, it will only show you the currency of the country that you have set on Temu account. So in order to change the currency, you need to change the country or the region. Go back and head over to country or region. Right here, if you select any of the country or the region, it will automatically change your currency. So for now, I'm gonna select United States as I want US dollar as my currency on Temu account. Now go back and head over to currency. There you can see that your currency has been successfully changed. Likewise, you need to change the country in order to change the currency of Temu account. So that's it, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.